Hey guys, welcome to room 486 on Carnival celebration. Wanted to give you guys a chance to check out the room. It is a suite on floor 15, and this room is amazing. Alright, so you come in, this will be your living room, your dining room. Right, it's the first thing you'll see. You also see this door. So you open up the door, and voila, it's your bathroom. All right, there's one sink here, and your toilet. And then this freaking amazing shower. Look at this, all the spouts. I'm about to get blasted in here every day. And then you got the dual sink here, this gigantic mirror. And you got the shelves. Right, and then you got your towels. You come in here to your bedroom. It's a nice sized bed. A TV on the wall. Mirror with a table, some seats. You can go out to your balcony this way. This has your closet, your safe. It's a deep closet. Hang a bunch of stuff. It's awesome. It's got some cubby holes. These things are cool, right? So you open this up. There's your light. You done? Shut it. Bam. And then you can hit your lights here, turn them on and off, just with a button. Your phone to call down if you need to. TV. Lights. We'll go this way to the living room, out to the balcony. There's another TV, so you can have two TVs going on at the same time. Water. More drawers for your clothes. Right, and some more closets. Open these up. Bam. Plenty of space for your clothes and whatnot. It's incredible. And then, just before I made this video, they dropped this off to us. Bottle of champagne. Some fruit. And this couch is awesome too. I'm excited about sleeping on this thing, I'm sure. So going out to the balcony. Door handle's a little weird. You're used to that though. You come on out, here's the table. You have your food, whatnot. These are lights. Here's Erin enjoying the balcony. Say hi, Erin.
Hello, Erin.
She said hello. We're at the port as we speak. Here's a cruise ship here. Is that Royal Caribbean?
Yep.
Then we got Virgin back there. Behind Virgin is Miami. This is Miami. It's pretty awesome. It's a beautiful day. It's like mid-80s. I think it's 83 to 85. It's a gorgeous day. This is what it looks like when you're in port. You're surrounded by all this. Beautiful. And you have lounge chairs for sunning and whatever. A little wet from them cleaning up, but it'll dry up quick. This is my favorite. It doesn't have a little overhead thing, but I think I can deal with it. It's the most comfy cushion you'll ever lay on. I'll be sleeping on this every day, I'm sure. And you go back here to one of our favorite parts. Couch, little table, chair, and the hot tub. Oh yeah. It's not massive, but it's gonna be big enough for two people, one on each side. Plenty of comfort with this view. Stay in a hot tub. Oh yeah. So without actually spending more than a half an hour on here, I think I recommend this to anybody and everybody. I know it's a little pricey, but it's going to be totally worth it. All right, have a good one, guys.